Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the significance of two transistor analogy of SCR. Okay, means how the anode current expression whatever we have derived in the two transistor analogy of the SCR, okay, that will prove or that will give the mathematical proof for how the SCR can be turned on by circulating a small amount of gate current. Okay. So here, as we know, IA, we are having the expression for IA, anode current IA is equal to what? Alpha 2 into Ig plus I CbO1 plus I CbO2 divided by 1 minus alpha 1 plus alpha 2. Okay, so this is the expression we have derived in the last video, right? We have derived this expression in the last video. Okay, now we are going to discuss with the help of this expression, okay, how the current IA changes from leakage current to the high value by circulation of the small gate current. Okay, so now for any silicon transistor, we are having the standard plot between emitter current and alpha. We are having a standard plot between emitter current IA and alpha as this one. Okay, what is the maximum value of alpha? The maximum value of alpha is 1. Okay, so it is a 1.0. This is the maximum value. Okay, so this is the standard plot. This plot between alpha and emitter current is valid for all the transistors, for all the silicon transistors. Okay, so if from this plot can we say that if IE is small, definitely alpha is small. As IE increases, alpha goes on increasing. Are you getting the point? Okay, so now with the help of this plot and this expression we are going to discuss now. Okay, so suppose initially Ig is 0. Okay, suppose initially Ig is 0. So if Ig is 0, okay, Ig 0 means we are not circulated any gate current. So initially SR is in the off state, means both the transistors will be in the off state. Okay, so both the transistors are in the off state. Ig is also 0. Okay, Ig is also 0. Then what is the current that will be flowing through both the transistors, or the, yes, both the transistors? It will be very small. Okay, so when Ig is equal to 0, when Ig is equal to 0 and both the transistors are in the off state, both the transistors are in off state, this indicates SCR is in the off state. SCR is in the off state. SCR is in off state, right? SCR is in off state. So if both the transistors are in the off state means what? Yes, IE1 is equal to IE2, right? IE1 is approximately equal to IE2. Both are very small. Both are very small. Okay, if IE1 IE2 are small, so what about the alpha 1 alpha 2? So this indicates alpha 1 and alpha 2 are also very small, because as we know, if IE are small, definitely alpha are small. Okay, so therefore IE and IE1 IE2 are small, so therefore alpha 1 alpha 2 are small. Okay, so if Ig is 0, so can we write IA is equal to what? Ig 0 means what? Alpha 2 into 0, so this term becomes 0. ICB1 plus ICBO2 upon what? 1 minus alpha 1 plus alpha 2, but alpha 1 and alpha 2 are very small. Okay, so this difference 1 minus alpha 1 plus alpha 2, it is nearly equal to 1. Okay, so can we write IA is equal to only ICBO1 plus ICBO2, right? This is valid only when gate current is 0 and SCR is in the off state. Okay, so this current is nothing but it is a leakage current. This current is nothing but leakage current. Okay, so when SCR is in the off state and we have not circulated the gate current, so therefore the current that will be flowing through the circuit or the SCR is nothing but the only leakage current, that is nothing but the ICBO1 plus ICBO2, which is a very small current. Okay, so now in order to initiate the turn on process in the SCR, okay, so we have started circulating the gate current. Okay, so we have started circulating the gate current to initiate turn on, to initiate turn on of SCR. Yes, we have started circulating Ig, which is not equal to 0 circulated, right? Non-zero Ig we have started circulating. Okay, so as we know, if Ig is non-zero, right, if Ig is non-zero, so what is the Ik? Whether by with increase in Ig, whether Ik will increase? Yes. So as we know, so here Ig is increased, so due to that Ik or Ie2 which is equal to Ik, which is equal to Ia plus Ig. Okay, so Ig we have increased means what? Ik will definitely increase. Yes or no? Right? But Ik is nothing but what? Ie2. So Ie2 increased means what? The alpha 2 will increase. Are you getting the point? So therefore alpha 2 will increase. So first of all, Ig we have increased. Why we have started non-zero Ig circulation? Because we are interested in turning on of a SCR. Okay, so when Ig increases, Ie2 increases, right? Because Ie2 means what? Ia plus Ig. Okay, so Ig increased, Ia suppose it is a leakage current only. Okay, so leakage current plus Ig, so therefore Ik increases. Ik increases means Ie2 increases. Ie2 increased means what? Alpha 2 increased. Okay, so now alpha 2 increased, right? Alpha 2 increased, Ig increased, right? Alpha 2 increased, Ig increased, so therefore whether Ia will increase? Yes, Ia will increase. Okay, so in addition to that alpha 2, definitely Ia also will increase. Okay, so when Ia increases, yes, Ia increases means again Ia2 increases, right? So Ia increases means what? It is a Ia increased, so therefore due to that Ik or Ie2 increased, right? So Ia increased means what? It is a Ik or Ie2 increased, because Ie2 means what? Ie2 or Ik is nothing but Ia plus Ig. Suppose we have kept Ig same, it is the same Ig constant. Okay, only small current. Okay, so Ia increases means what? Ia plus Ig, that is Ie2 increases. Again Ia increases means what? Alpha 1 also increased, right? Alpha 1 also increased. Okay, so this is the continuous process. So please try to understand how this process initiates. Okay, so with the increase in Ig, it will cause the increase in Ie2 increases, so therefore alpha 2 increases, right? Alpha 2 increases, so therefore Ia increases, so therefore alpha 1 increases, right? And again in the same way, yes, alpha Ia increases, so again Ie2 increases, alpha 2 increases, Ia increases, alpha 1 increases, and so on. Okay, so this process goes on repeating till Ia reaches the steady value. Ia reaches the steady means the high value. Okay, means suppose after circulation of the small gate current, if we remove the gate current, then also no problem, then also this process goes on continue. Okay, this process goes on continue. Are you getting the point? So this is the significance of, right? So importance of two transistor analogy of the SCR means it gives the mathematical proof. For how the anode current increases from leakage current to the high value with the help of small gate current. Okay, so is this clear? Right? So this is about the significance of two transistor analogy of the SCR. In the next video, we will discuss the numerical related with the two transistor analogy of the SCR. Thank you.